this is Anne Marie with the Laid Back Mat. Today we're having fun together for New You 31 Days of Yoga series. So let's start in a nice tall standing position, maybe tilting the big toes in a little bit. Big inhale up. Bring one hand on one shoulder, the other one on the other shoulder. Inhale your elbows up. Neck is up, looking up. Exhale, looking down. Round your back here, tuck in your belly. Inhale back up. And now let's take our top arm and put it under. Just reversing that. So inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale your elbows up, look up. Exhale down. Inhale up and release your arms. Now yoga is a great addition to any anti-anxiety medication you may be taking. It keeps us where we all belong, which is in the present tense, right? Right now, right now. This is the new us right now. So let's put all our weight on that one leg that's going to support you. Sometimes we're not all with it and we still need to be able to support ourselves. Bring your legs together. My standing leg is down, pressing into the ground, my thigh coming into the other. And the other foot, I only just raise my heel a little bit. I'm just gonna hook my foot to my ankle, to the back of my standing leg ankle. You can put your big toe down if you want, or just do that little hook. Nice balance here. Inhale up, one hand on the shoulder, the other hand on the shoulder. Little balance, up and looking down. I'm gonna put my big toe down for this one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just switch leg. So make sure to take care of your foundation first on your standing leg. I'm gonna keep my toe down. Yeah, I know. Reverse that. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Now keep your legs this way. And bring your hand as if you're about to play the flute. So this posture is actually called Lord Krishna's pose. So let's keep it still for a moment. Big inhale, exhale. Now let's switch side. Of course, we play the flute only on the other side, but that's okay. It's good. Maybe somebody's a lefty and that's how they do things. Play your flute and then still pretend you're gonna have your photo taken. Just smile. Smile. Lord Krishna's pose. Wow. That's a rare one. We don't usually do that one. Sometimes I think they invent a few of them up. One hand on your shoulder. The other leg comes out. Make a front foot with the same foot that is where your folded arm is. Now bend it a little bit. Make my stem a little bigger. Other foot goes away. We're staying straight. No, we're not going in a warrior, but your knee still has to go back. Now let's open one arm. This is another funky pose sometime. We're wondering where that comes from. And let's reverse, make a nice little reverse movement here. Open the shoulder. Come back. Other side. Hand on your hip. The other arm comes out. Just however it feels good. And maybe make it pretty with your arms. What's important here is that you have fun, and if you think about taking your back hip and sending it back a little bit. See how it feels for you? It feels better. Center. Now, if your heels are very close to yourself, what we're doing next is much easier if you have a wide stand. So get ready. We're gonna send our bum back. Keep our chest up and go in a God and Goddess posture here. God and Goddess posture. Now we're gonna play our flute on one side. Shoulder comes back. Play your flute on your other side. Your hands comes back. And a little side twist. Just breathe here, breathe. And other side. Ooh, gosh. So yoga isn't about tightening your bum, huh? It's about getting your head out of it. And no, I didn't make it up. It's Eric Pascal who came up with it. I love it. It's pretty fun. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Now standing foot again. Don't worry, we always reverse it. Now bring your back foot back. You can keep your toes up or not. And if you're able to have a little band in the front knee, that's even better. Let's bring our arms up, one over the other. Give yourself a nice hug and bring your fingertip towards your shoulder blade. Now, keeping your elbows together, we're just gonna bring our hands towards the other, and if it's a possibility for you, maybe hook your fingers. Inhales, elbow up, hands away from you. Make sure you're comfortable. Put a little bit more of your weight into that front foot. And if you want to try to lift it a little bit. You're not far from the ground. You can always catch yourself. Or keep going. This is fun. So it's not about doing the perfect modified posture, but just having a little fun and challenging your own balance. Other side. Now remember what's on top. It's going at the bottom. So big self-hug here. Front foot, little back foot here. Arms come up. Elbows up, hands away from you. And you can stay just like that if you want. Or start leaning forward. See how it goes. Sometimes one of our side has more balance than the other. And inhale back up while you're ahead. And if you lose your balance, you're gripping the wall, that's all cool, that's all cool. Nice shoulder rolls here. Back. Inhale up, exhale to the side. Inhale up, other side. Now, this time I want you to let your elbows come down a little bit until maybe you're touching your head here. Make sure to open that shoulder. Upper shoulder comes back a little bit. Other side, maybe you want to put your hand on your head if it helps. And let's flow this. Exhale, shake, shake, shake your hand. Now we're gonna balance on one foot and shake, shake, shake. One foot, keeping the hands going. Little circle, maybe tap, tap, tap. Other foot. If you want to do both feet at once at the same time as your hands, make sure you have a big cushion to catch you. Yeah, sometimes you never know. You never know. Little hip release here, side to side. Just boogie with me. Just boogie your hip side to side, maybe a little hula. Or maybe you just want to keep it side to side, bending one knee and then the other. And let your shoulder flow with this. Give it a little, maybe a figure 8 with your hips. Inhale up, exhale into a namaste. Inhale up, exhale your arms to the side, little figure eight. Sorry, that little coordination here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Again, relax, relax, stand. Take a little bit of a wider stand here. Look up. Very gentle, yes, Anne-Marie, yes. Yes, this feels good. If it doesn't, we don't do it, right? Exhale, no. No, practice saying no more often. We say yes way too often. It comes out of us and then we think, oh darn, what did I get into this time? Maybe add a little maybe to this. Maybe I'll think about it. But it seems to you to go from no to maybe and yes to maybe and no. Yeah. Okay, nice relaxed pose. Bring your toes out. Maybe a little more room here. Now send your bum straight down. Pretend your body has a string coming through, pulling you down. Make your stand as big as it takes so that your knee don't pass your toes. And this is just a little modified God Goddess pose here. And we're gonna bounce. Remember the little, the babies, they had this, between the door, those, what they like, little jumping, Johnny Jumper or something? They would just like, just bounce. They were having so much fun, they kept on bouncing. I don't know if they have them for adults, that would be fun. Inhale up. Exhale, bend your knee. Keep the knees open wide. Inhale up. Exhale, knees come back. Inhale up. Exhale, open your knees. Couple more of those. Almost like a ballerina, but minus all the grace that comes with it. We try to be as graceful as we can, but oof, that's plenty for me here. So heel toes, heel toes, heel toes, heel toes. Big windmill. Big nice windmill. Go ahead, make the sound. Make the sound the other side. If all you want to do is just make the sound, that's cool too. Just have fun with this. Switch sides. Make it your own. Close your eyes, don't look at me, and make this your own. Make sure all your movements are mindful. Nice relaxing, relaxing the body. Exhale your arms to your chest. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my great, wonderful patron for all your support. There's a link down in the description. Anybody who's interested in joining, there's even a free membership. Big inhale up, catch some love. Exhale it to your heart, give it to yourself. Thank you so much, and namaste.